Hey all, welcome back to DS Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with a international haul. I know you know I love makeup and skincare, so I have purchased few products in past couple of months. You can say 6 to 8 months, and everything in this basket. I have put everything in this basket, which is international products. And I also have a haul from Nykaa and other websites which I bought from India, so I'll do a separate video for that, but this is completely dedicated for international products which I bought. Thing which is so glittery, highlighty kind of thing in this is this one, which is Pat McGrath lip gloss trio, and this is a Pat McGrath is a luxury brand. So this is the trio of mini lip glosses. You can see there are 3 lip glosses and you have little bit of extra decoration there, but you have these 3. I think this was like $25 if I'm not wrong. I had this coupon, so I saved a lot on that. And yeah, you get 3 mini lipsticks, and I have realized lately, being a person who loves makeup, I want to go and buy mini sizes if they are available in any way, because I really don't use a complete lipstick, complete lip gloss. It takes a lot of time for me, and also I think it takes a lot of time for you all. So I think it's better to get a mini size if you have a lot of collection in your wardrobe. And if I really love something when I try in mini, if I really want that again, then I go and buy a full size. Otherwise I think it's waste of money, and this way you also going to try, and also other products in my wardrobe gets used to. So yeah, that's there. If you want any dedicated video on these ones, on swatches and all, you can let me know. And also in Instagram I normally post all the photos, pictures, swatches, so just go there. I'll put all my Instagram handle details here. It's Diya Beauty Blossom, the same name as in the channel, YouTube channel, so you can go there and follow me there. That's the first thing. Next thing is from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Park Ave Princess palette. This is so glittery. I know it's so glittery, shiny. This is the Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette, which actually has bronzers, setting powder, also highlighter kind of thing. You have a good large mirror, and then you have all these shades here. Palettes are eyeshadow palettes. I must say I have collected this over the time. It's not just one time buy, trust me. So this one is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial palette, and Dominique Cosmetics is again one of the rave brand, and I think they are cruelty free, and cruelty free product. And this is Christian Dominique's brand. We have 8 shades here, but they're so pretty, and then you get a big large mirror. This palette is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love this packaging. So I was always thinking whether I have to get this, or not, because it's way expensive. And this is the Jackie Aina palette, and I've seen many bloggers also raving about this, so I just thought I'll get this. And also this is made in collaboration with Jackie Aina. She is a black beauty artist. I mean, so I just thought I have to get this. And yeah, so you get a good mirror, good size mirror, and then a brush, and then these are the shades. They are so damn pretty. I have not used any of these. I will create a look out of this soon, but yes, these are the shades you get. I really love this inner softy, leathery texture feeling. So that's the next palette I have. I got one from Urban Decay, which is the Naked Cherry palette. I love cherry eyeshadows, cherry based, plummy eyeshadows, so I thought I'll get this one. This is the Naked Cherry palette. You get a mirror, and you get all the shades. These are all the shades. I know these are kind of neutral or plummy shades, but I really love plum shades, so I thought I'll try this one also. And I've seen so many swatches. They're so pretty. It's so nice. I really like this one color combination. Palettes are from Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona is a YouTuber, and she has her own makeup brand, and it's so raved in, so expensive, and so much loved by worldwide. And it's cruelty, I think it's cruelty free. Yeah, it's not test to animals, it's paraben free, and yeah, it's so raved brand from the world bloggers. So I want to try their palette. Then there was an offer, so they have actually the palette are too expensive, but she also releases I think once in a year these small palettes which are not mini. They also have mini but small palettes which are less, half the price of what their actual palettes are. So I got 2 palettes from them. This was way old palette which I bought. I've not used it. So this is a Sunrise palette, and this is so pretty. I just can't say in words. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, really so damn pretty. This is inspired with Sunrise theme. I think she has very beautiful shades in here. I just want to swatch few so you can see how pigmented these are. Can you see them? So damn pigmented, and I really love these shades here. That's the Sunrise palette. That I picked up was this Love Child palette from Natasha Denona, and I got my hands on this. It's so pretty, and it also have a blush palette along with this when she launched this palette, but I didn't get that. I just got this palette. Very huge mirror, and then you have these shades here. They're so kind of, these shades are rosy purpley shades, but I really love it. The theme, it actually is fit for the theme. Just awesome. So I've not used these also. It's eyeshadow palette I will show is from Violet Voss. Violet Voss has these mini palettes. I've heard a lot about them, and this is Oh Snap palette. I don't know, somehow I relate to Too Faced Gingerbread palette. But the palette there, it's so cute. And this is Oh Snap palette, which is really good. I love these shades. I don't know about this green, but other shades are so damn pretty. And the last, one last before that is this palette, which Too Faced had released in last year's holiday to kind of bridge, the house, gingerbread house. So you get all these shades here. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it's really nice. One mini shimmer palette which is all shimmers, and then only 4 shimmers, and then 2 matte shades. And then there's also one mini eye face palette which came with it. I don't know where I kept it, but yeah, it was a set. Along with that I got this Too Faced mini mascara also. So that's there. And the last eyeshadow palette I have is this from Natasha Denona. This is their mini Leela palette. She has a Leela palette which is way big and costly. So she also comes up, as I said, in mini palette. So this one was in good offer, and see how cute these palettes are. And yeah, it comes with this 5 shades, and it's really pretty. It's just selection of shades that you can use it. If you want a full size, you have to again buy a full size one, but I think this is very easy for me to travel because so many, so easy to put in your purse and bag and clutch, and then you can just move out. So these are the eyeshadow palettes which I got, and apart from that I have a few foundations which I want to try. So I got this Star Double Duty Shape Tape hydrating foundation. I used it once and I really love this. I'll do a dedicated review on that. This Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation, and I'm in shade Spice Sand 4 and 2, and I really want to test because many vloggers are fans of this. I have to try is this Juvia's Place, and as you know, Juvia's Place is a black beauty makeup, and I really love their affordability, their pigmentation, everything. So I want to try their foundation, so I got this one. And I got one primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics which I want to try. My battery is dying, so I'm just hurrying a bit. And also mini Benefit Roller. They are real mascara. So this is a mini mascara. First skincare product I got is the Ordinary Alpha Beauty 2% plus HA serum, which I want to try on. And these are simple, clean, skincare. I think they are available in Cult too, and this is how it is. And I want to try this serum, so I got this in a subscription box, which is Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. I want to try this because I have a lot of acne scars and pigments, so I want to try this. I got this one from Murad. And then the last skincare product is from Glow Recipe. This is the Pineapple Seed Light Serum, and and I have heard a lot about this one also, so I just got this one. Also, this one was in subscription box where I have picked up this product. And the last thing which I want to put in this end of this haul is this caviar anti-aging smoothing anti-frizz blowout butter for your hair, and I really love this. I just used it today before using my blow dryer, and I really love the way it turned out, and it protects your hair. It's a mini sample which I got free sometime back. So yes, this is all I have got, and I will do another video dedicated for my Nykaa and other haul. So please stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks all, have a great day, bye bye.